Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Time to get in a, grandpa slash grandma phone, the Nokia 2650. I have this one which doesn't look that bad, but once you open it, it's really bad. Also this thing is cracked. But this phone works. I mean, I can't put a SIM card in yet, but I can start it for you by pressing this little button. It says insert SIM. It's in Romanian, in my language actually, but yeah. So the battery jumped off. So let's begin with this one. Okay, enough staring, let's go. So here's the phone, and I never disassembled one of these before, but I'm guessing it has clamps, right? Right. It shot me in the eye, son of a... Yeah, just as I thought. Oh, come on, you. Now here. Yep. Pretty easy. Until now. Also has these smaller ones here. This one and this cable. Okay, comes out manual like this. This thing should just come off like so. This one as well. Anything else for me to take from here? Not much. Maybe just the button. And we'll see. Take this cable out of here. It goes all the way on top here. This end of the cable is on the lower part, and this end of the cable is on the top part. Basically the bigger one, it's on the bottom part, where the buttons are. And technically this is the hinge mechanism. Pretty simple. It bit me. Yeah. Pretty easy to change the body shell on this phone. But I'm not just gonna change the body shell, I also have to disassemble and clean it. So the speaker, it's glued inside here, so it's pretty protected. I just need to clean it outside. Everything is metal here. I'm looking for the... oh, these are the metal clamps apparently. Let's hold it in place. Come on, okay, one. Two. Okay, it's easy to cut yourself in this thing. I did not cut myself now, but it's easy to do it. And the fourth clamp. Okay, it should slide. It actually slides down like this. And this top part has this little magnet that knows when the phone is closed or opened. Here is the vibration motor, which of course that I'm going to take out traditionally, you know, and give it a good clean. Heavy metal phone, nice. Oh, and here's the display connector. It looks similar to other older Nokia phones. Here's where it's in clamps. Well, I definitely need a screwdriver for this. Be careful when you take this out. I kind of forced my way in the display. I hope I haven't damaged it. Oh, okay, it looks alright. Good. Phew. Very strong clamps. Oh, here's the SIM slot. As I never put a SIM in this thing, so it goes like this when it's closed with the Huh? Yeah, with the pins down. It's closed. Something like this. And that's why it has that little plastic thing that pulls it out. Yeah, okay, now I know. And everything is just a huge flex cable. So I'm not gonna take it out because if I was being very careful with this and still it got snapped here. This flex cable. Disc. Great. Luckily I have another phone that's also not in very good condition, so I'm gonna make one out of two. Great. Now this has other side clamps, and this is the, what the heck is this? Well, I know these are the connectors, and this is what a microphone. This is the first time I see this type of microphone on this phone. Dude. Yeah. And here we have the main board. Great. Now I need to take this from another phone. Unbelievable. Yeah, this phone has other problems by its own. Being extra careful not to damage this flex cable as well, since apparently it's very sensitive. Okay, this one, at least it's in one piece. We'll see which display works better, so I'll get to cleaning and be right back to you. Well, cleaned it and time to put it back together. Not many components in this phone, but yeah, pretty good. Trying to put the display without getting it dirty again. Too late. Great. Freaking great. I'll clean it again. Put this thing here. Oh, the magnet fell off. Isn't that interesting? Of course, when I said interesting, I meant annoying, but you get the idea. What the heck? Okay. It's in place. Now to put this cable back. Remember, the smaller part goes up. Sorry, let me rephrase it. The smaller connector. Oh no. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 dang it. Almost didn't notice my little mistake. You have to slide this here, then press on the clamps. Oh yeah, it has to go through here. This is this end. Come on, you, what's your problem? There you go. Again with the clamps. There we have it. Now it's time to start putting it back together. So this cable goes through here. Now I have to connect this cable here. There we go, connected. Come on, this cable has to go through here. Something like this. There we go, it's in its place. Now I just want to test that the display is working, you know, not to have any surprises at the end when it's completely assembled. Okay, it's looking quite nicely actually, good. Yeah, this new part is damaged, great. So basically this body shell isn't tinked like the original, so I have to do some bit of modifications. And to make sure that this is properly put in place, I'm gonna have to put the button here. My eyes burn. Come on, seriously? Now I'm gonna have to wait a long time for this to actually... I need to actually put this part in. Because this is when you pull it out, it actually pulls out the SIM card. And of course I touched the display. Yeah, good thing. Yeah, look at those fingerprints, manly. Yeah. Okay, half is done. Now I'm gonna put it like this to make sure that the cable doesn't snap. Now all I have to do is to wait for this, and it's going to be a while. So yeah, I'll be right back when it's done. Lunch break. After 2 excruciating hours, it's finally dry. Let's finish this. This has like clamps here, exactly where the hinges are. So, well, actually been behind the hinges, but you get the idea. Okay, it's in one piece. Whew, thank God. I was scared for a little while. Okay, let me test this out a little. Okay, seems about right. Okay, and to put everything back together and hope for the best. So black body shell with white center. Now, I want to put a battery in. I know it's the slim one. Actually, like this. Okay. There we have it. Now, let me open here. Come on. So it opens like this. Well, I never had this phone, so of course I don't know. Wait, how was the pins again? Something like this, right? So it goes in like this. Found it. Okay, it's inside. I'm not peeling this off because it's easy to get scratched. Nice. Ooh, it has a nice menu style. Oh, really? It was saying here how to put it in. I'm such an idiot. Dang! Oh my God! It was right here. It was like it's in your eyes, bro. Oh my God. "53 talk hours and 15 minutes. Like I said, why do people damage the phones? So this was my refurbished video of the Nokia 2650. I'm happy. It is done. Now I finally have one in very good condition and fully functional. Oh, I also have a message. Right, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Maybe subscribe, it helps me a lot and I really appreciate you doing that. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself. All the best. Bye bye.